Hi YouTube, I'm making a video on a website called Action Hobbies. It's a website we buy a majority of our airsoft guns from. It's really good. It has top of the range two-tone. Which are here. Assault rifles, you name it, they've got it. We'll just show you some of the machine guns. Here you go. Just the first page. You've got some quite nice ones, but they're over £50, all of them. The realistic ones. Now these are really nice, but you have to have a UK ARA license. I'll show you the machine guns. And yeah, there's another page. Now the budget ones, these are quite good because if you're just messing around with your friends in the back garden, these are quite good. About just below £40, all of them. But if you're properly skirmishing, I would not get one of these as they're not powerful enough. You've got the M4, the M16, the Uzi, the P90, the MP5, and the G36. They all look pretty much the same as the other ones, just none of the parts are metal, and they're not as powerful, and they won't last as long because they're not as low quality made. Launchers, mines, and pyrotechnics, claymores and mines. These are pretty cool. £65 claymore, which is quite expensive. And tactical equipment, clothing, and camping, which I just like to camouflage and scrim. Tactical vest, webbing, and equipment. Let's have a look at that. Which just have pouches, some chest rigs, special forces vests. Now they're quite cool. SWAT vests, I like them. And then yeah, and it has all this amazing site here, which is like £125 when it lasts. But yeah, thanks for watching, and visit the site again. It's if you look up where the URL is, I'll highlight just the site, which is there, www.actionhobbies.co.uk. This site is only for the UK. Okay, so if you're in America, don't try and buy from this site. I don't know if they ship to America, so like contact them first. So yeah, thanks for watching.